Hello students, in this video we are going to see that how to connect the servo motor with the Arduino. Okay, so what will happen, in the servo motor we can fix the rotation of this motor to some particular angles, like for 90 degree, for 180. If you want to rotate your motor 1/4, then you have to fix the angle 90 degree. If you want to rotate your motor shaft half, then you have to fix 180 degree. We can fix any value for the rotation of this servo motor. So for this programming I am doing 0 to 180 degree service code. First I will tell you how to connect the servo motor. See, this is a servo motor. This is a servo motor, you can see here, and it is having 3 wires coming out of it. See, there are color codings also given. One is brown wire, other one is red wire, and the third one is yellow wire. So what you have to do is, first you have to know that whenever red wire is there, you have to connect it directly to the 5-volt power supply. So we will connect this this red color wire to the 5-volt supply of this Arduino. You can see here that red wire is coming, and this is connected to the 5-volt supply of the Arduino. So we have seen for the connection of red wire. Now the term is for yellow wire, and for the yellow wire you have to keep this yellow wire to the pin where you want to attach your Arduino. So I have selected pin number 9. You can select any pin. So I have connected this yellow wire to pin number 9. Here you can see, here I have connected it to pin number 9, so that my signal will come. I will program my Arduino in a way that my signal will go to pin number 9 and it will switch on this servo motor. Now the last wire is brown wire. So we will connect this this brown wire is called ground wire, and we will connect it to the ground terminal that is near to the 5 volts. You can see here, just near to the 5 volt there is one ground pin is also given. So we will connect the brown wire to the ground pin that is near to 5 volt. So students, our circuit connection is complete. Now what we have to do is, we have to code our Arduino for the working of this servo motor. So I will show you the coding. So students, you can see the coding here. We have to first include the servo header file, and then we have to initialize our servo, and we have to fix the initial angle, that is 0. Then in the void setup we have to attach the servo motor by giving this command servo test dot attach, and we have to mention the pin number where we are attaching this. So I am attaching at pin number 9. You can attach at any number of pin. Okay, now you have to but you have to attach on digital pins only, not on analog pins. Now in void loop you will see that we are fixing the angle 0 to 180 degrees. See, you can see here angle is starting from 0. Now in void loop you can see that we have initialized a for loop, and in that we have started the angle from 0 to 180 degree. It should be less than 180 degree, and after that it will come reverse to its position and it will rotate again. So we have to repeat this process again and again. Then we have to write the angle value in the servo test. In the servo test function we have to write the angle value. So whatever angle will come, that will write in this, and we have to give some delay so that it will come in its original position. Students, I have compiled and uploaded the program in my Arduino circuit. Now I will on it and I will show you how it is working. So you can see here, now my Arduino is on. You can see that how the motor is rotating. It is rotating half angle. It is going up to 180 degree. So in this way you can fix any number of angle, and you can rotate your Arduino according to that. So students, you can see that in the previous program here 180 degree angle was written, okay, and here also 180 degree angle was written. Now I have changed the angle to 90 degree. Then I will see, and I have compiled the program and I have uploaded the program to my Arduino. Now we will see that what will happen when we are making it 90 degree, how it is rotating. Now we will see that after making the angle 90 degree, how the motor is rotating. See, you can see here that our motor is rotating only up to 90 degree angle. Previously it was rotating up to here half angle, that is 180 degree. Now it is only making 90 degree.